what we got from THERALIFE. So we got this guy vacuum sealed. Wow, this packaging feels good. I picked this one up and I ordered it about 2 days ago. It already came here all the way from BC. I'm in Toronto, so. So, this is the actual. I also got this box of other stuff. Cartridge that I also got, which is, I believe, mint flavor, so I'm excited about that one. Little cartridges. And I think that's really nice about these. There's no VG or PG, so it's extremely healthy. You're not getting the crap that original vapes you'd normally get from those Juuls or whatever kind of vaporizers you're in. It's really convenient. I'm really excited about this. User manual, USB cable, and then also the atomizer, I believe. This looks like a mouthpiece or something. We'll figure it out. So here's the actual box. Wow. Oh, okay. So this is the bottom. This is the pen. That's it. So all in, it's not that. Wow. Okay, well, I'm going to read the manual, figure out how to use this, and get back to you. So. This thing's a fingerprint magnet, absolutely. You just pull it out like that. And you're good to go. And this is self-charging, so I can take this battery and just toss it back in here. There's a little battery indicator. Battery just needs a couple. That is super smooth and quick. So if you guys like this or want to see more videos, let me know. This one's from THERALIFE in Vancouver. I'm from Canada, so you can order it for about $100. I know also KUSH in the GTA also sells these, so you can check them both out. I'll put the links in the description below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. You guys, I highly recommend this product. Super smooth, such a clean high, convenient, compact. I can put it in my hand, bring this with me to a game, flip it open, and it holds 2 extra cartridges here too. So you're not even necessarily held down to just one flavor in a day. You could have CBD or THC, and you could switch up different flavors. And they're also online that you can get them for about $30 is my general consensus when I was looking online. So yeah. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in another video.